चंद्रमुखा बोल बचपन ये सब आलोचना करलाम शिव হচ্ছে परम तत्व की गाय माने
Hare Krishna, then we pranam to all.
কেন মানে জানেন ছাই ভাষণ জগৎকে শিক্ষা দিচ্ছেন এই সংসার
For giving the teaching to the whole world, the word is anitya, is not eternal. And the living being has to face a lot of problems, a lot of. If things are there today, it will not be there tomorrow. No one has to face the consequences of his past karma. In one, even if something is been given in covered, even the mud is given in covered, one day it will be finished. The word is like this only. So Shivji is showing in this word. This word is just nothing. The body is nothing. Body would be finished one day. The whole word is has to finished one day. Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying, is everybody understand Bangla over here? Whether you understand Bangla or not? Whether you understand Bangla or not? Everybody understand Bengali over here? This word, this body, the word, this body will be finished. What is the meaning of Chha? The time of Durga Puja or Devi Puja, during the time of Devi Puja, one does purchase the fireworks at the time of Durga Puja. The charkhi, the circle, the firework, and the different kind of fireworks. We call it a chuchuri in Hindi, in India. Full jhadi we call it in India. It will continue once you fire that firework. It will glitter for 5-7 minutes, and once the rocket goes to the sky and that throws light everywhere, and there would be a glare. The word is like that. The word is like Chayavadi Pray. This word. If you get associate and attachment in this word, you'll be finished. This body is very rare. This birth is very rare. It is a subject of agrees concern. The whole world, all mother, father, brother, sister, one day they all would be leaving us. But what is the benefit to be over here? Sab ghat, ek baar. Every ghat it would be every time, but this funeral place would be only once. One day would be light buried in the graveyard. But this is the reality of the life. You'll get some space in the graveyard. You keep fighting in the word that this is your, this is mine. So just like that. Shivji has shown in this word that body is what is a man, what the body is. One day this body would be finished. So he has shown the renunciation in this word by putting a bhasma, the ash, on his body all over.
যে
So the
আমার
Shivji has
ইষ্ট
shown,
দেশ আমি ভগবান
my deity,
যদি
Shivji
আপনি
has shown
সুন্দর
that my
প্রতিকৃতি
deity
গ্রহণ করে সব
as
আমাকে
Swayam
করেন।
Bhagwan, Krishna.
এই জন্য শিবজি দেখুন সুন্দর
Shivji
ফুলগুলি
is
গ্রহণ
saying,
করেন না।
Shivji
এত
never
সুন্দর
accept
ফুল,
any beautiful
তিনি কি
flower. He
বলেছেন?
never
আমার
accept any
পুরো
beautiful
কৃষ্ণকে
flower
চড়ান।
because he believes the beautiful
শিবজি
flowers
যে
only
ফুলগুলো
meant for Krishna.
কেউ গ্রহণ করতে পারে না, তিনি সেগুলো
He
গ্রহণ
never
করেন।
accept any
ফুল,
kind of a beautiful flower.
ধুতরা ফুল,
He takes he only accept the flowers which are not good
আর কি ফুল
and which
চড়ান?
cannot be offered to Lord Krishna. Like
যে ফুলের কোনো গন্ধ নেই,
and there is
এমন
no
অত্যন্ত
fragrance in that
বিষাক্ত।
flower.
এই আকন্দ ফুলটা এত বিষাক্ত না,
Shivji accept those
ওর
flower
যদি
only.
রসটা যদি চোখে লাগে আপনার
If there's a kind of flower, if there the milk from the flower it touches to your
আমার
eyelid,
শিবজি কত
your
করুণা।
sight would be lost. So you have to be very careful.
একটু গঙ্গা জল আর তুলসী দিয়ে দিলে।
So if you offer Belpatra and Ganga Jal, Shivji would be very happy.
রাবণ থেকে আরম্ভ করে
Ravan, starting from Ravan, all the asurs,
আর এই কর।
so they are
বললাম। আর শিবজি
Shivji
বিচারও করেন না।
is
আগে
thinking.
আসে, ফেলে দিয়ে দেন। না।
So he never thinks what I would like to offer to Shivji, he will accept
একবার একজন অন্ধ
with a
ব্যক্তি,
great please.
ব্রহ্মচারী অন্ধ ব্যক্তি, অনেক দিন শিবের আরাধনা করে পূজা সেবা করে।
This
একদিন শিব
one day Shivji,
প্রসন্ন হয়ে বললেন, আচ্ছা তুমি
but
আমাকে
please
একটু বর
honor
দাও,
one
বর
brahmachari. He was doing a tapasya brahmachari, but Shivji said, I'll give only one var,
যে কোনো একটা বর আমার
one
কাছে
boon to
চেয়ে
you.
নাও। কিন্তু
Whatever
ওই
last.
ব্যক্তিটা চালাক
That
ছিল।
person was very
ব্রহ্মচারী।
smart. The brahmachari was smart.
চারটা বর নেব। আর
You
শিব
gave me
বললেন,
one.
একটা বর।
Shivji said, I'll give you only one boon.
আচ্ছা,
That person said,
এখন ওই
the
চারটা
brahmachari
বর
said,
চাইতে
I want
চাইতে
4 boons. This is my.
চোখের দৃষ্টিশক্তি পাওয়া যায়, দেখতে পারে।
So he was just
দ্বিতীয়
testing
কি
to
চায়? ব্রহ্মচারী
one
কি চায়?
brahmachari, second
বিবাহ
power, second he was asking for a marriage. The brahmachari asked, first was
আপনার বিবাহ করেছেন?
power, money, and second was is a
আমার
marriage.
বাবা মা যদি বিবাহ না করতো আমি কোথা থেকে আকাশ থেকে পড়ে গেছি নাকি? হ্যাঁ? আকাশ থেকে কি আসছে? তাহলে বিবাহ করতে হবে।
Everybody looks forward to get married. He wants a very nice life. In material world is like this only. Up mother parents, bonds or mother father bonds us to get married so that we also further do procreation in this world and we follow the Grihastha Dharma. There is a brahmachari, there is a 4 varnashram that has been prescribed in sacred scriptures. Then Shivji was thinking, and second he said, second he was asking for a beautiful wife. This, first, in one side, a girl and boy said, I love you. I hate you. Second, he said, I hate you. And then he said, I kill you. These kind of words have been normally used among two. Chandramukhi. First, he says Chandramukhi, a lady with a beautiful face. Then he said, he said Jwalamukhi, just like volcano. These are proverbs has been used in Indian dialect. So everybody is so smart over here that everybody knows, especially females over here, they knows everything. That proverb has been used. So this brahmachari was asking a beautiful wife. Then second, the person looks forward the kids, the babies. Any married couple looks forward in his life. And so people say, look forward. They always come to sadhu and they'll ask for this kind of material things only.
এই জন্য বলতে চাইছে 4টা বর শিবের কাছে।
4. So he asked for 4 boons from Lord Shiv. There's some direct normal communications going on. There's some devotees was getting up, so they were asked to sit down. So the brahmachari said, first, Chokhir, the beautiful and powerful eyesight. Second is a beautiful wife. Third one, he asked for a beautiful boy, a baby boy. Fourth one, he asked money. So 4, this brahmachari asked for money, the boon from Shiv. Then Shivji said, I can only get you only 1 var. I would not give you 4 var. This person, brahmachari, was very smart and very clever. And Brahma said, if you're really pleased for my tapasya, then give me 1 boon. And 1 var, my boy eats with the gold spoon, and he eats very good, everything, very fluent life he lives. So in a way, he asked for 1 boon, that my son, he will have a food, a beautiful, a nice tasty food from a golden spoon. Shiv said, okay, tathastu. So in a way, then he asked to Shivji, then you give him all 4 boons. Then Shivji asked, how come? I have only given you 1. Then the brahmachari said, my son will eat from a golden spoon. And usually in everybody's house there will be plastic spoon or a steel spoon. So who eats from gold spoon? Only kings of the kings eat from the gold spoon. The crorpatis and the millionaires. Then he said, so in a way he asked all 4 boons in a 1 boon, because how it would be possible then his son would be eating from a golden spoon only when they'll have a money, when he will have a wife, when he'll have a beautiful and very powerful eyesight. Parikshit Maharaj says to Sukdev Goswami Maharaj, he prays to Shukdev Goswami Maharaj, Lakshmipati Vishnu. If somebody worship to Shivji, does not have anything. If somebody worship, then he will give. Where Shivji stays, on the mountains and a Kailash Parvat, there is no house, proper house over there. Once upon a time, Devi Parvati, she is married. She got married and she now, I have married with you. Then at least you get me 1 house. The Kailash Parvat, there is only mountains are there, and only the cold and snow is over there. There is nothing over there. There's no house over there. You being a man, it's okay. If you taking a bath in open, that is fine. But me being a female, if at least there has to be walls over there once I take a bath. So these things are being requested by Parvati ji to Shivji. Devji said, I do not have a time. Then Shivji said to Parvati, I do not have time. So then Shivji said, I have got married with you, my life is all finished. Because Shivji was all casual and he never looked from this angle everything. Then after marriage, that one has to see the family life. And Parvati said, once I get married, we don't get me a house. But she said, I don't have a time. I have to chant Bhagwan, Lord's name. I have to meditate on Lord.
এখন শিবজি কি বলেন জানেন?
What Shivji said,
বরফের সিলি
he put 4 snowballs, snow bigger bricks, not bricks, is a
আর উপর থেকে আরেকটা
blocks,
এটা ঘর হয়ে গেল।
and he said, now it's your house.
যখন সূর্যের তাপ হয় না,
But when there was a sun, a heated sun, it all got melted.
কি করে পতিত কাউবে না কিছু
Then Parvati said, my husband will not do anything.
কাজ করে না।
Usually husband doesn't do anything in household work.
এখন পত্নী বলে কি করে বাল বাচ্চাকে তো খাওয়াবো, গোসল করতে
This
হবে।
Parvati ji said, I have to take care of everything. In most of the house,
পতি অপেক্ষা
as compared to men, a female does a lot of work
এরা সকলে
in a household.
এখন দেবী কি করছেন, একদিন চিন্তা করলেন কি করা যায়।
So one day Parvati ji was thinking what to do now. Then this Dhan Kuber. Dhan Kuber was the devotee of Lord Shiva. This Dhan Kuber.
এখন শিবজিকে গুরু বলেন মানে
Because we consider Shivji as a Lord. Once upon a time, Dhan Kuber
ঘরে এসেছে, তখন শিবজি কোথায়
reaches
চলে
to
গিয়েছেন।
Shivji has went some other
এখন
place.
দেবী পার্বতী
So Devi Parvati ji, she was alone at the Kailash.
দেবী পার্বতী বললেন,
And then Deva Parvati said to Dhan Kuber, your Gurudev doesn't do anything for me, neither he has given me any house. And whatever if I say, if I ask for a house from him, he has given me 4 blocks of bricks and he put it, and he said, is your house now? But because of the heat of a sun, it got all melted. Dhan Kuber got to know this thing.
গুরু মাতা
The Guru Mata,
আপনার জন্য সবচেয়ে বড় সুন্দর
the biggest, I'll get you the most beautiful house on our earth. I'll create that palace for you.
ধরনের তো টাকা প্রচুর,
But that requires money also.
বিশাল করে ঘর তৈরি করে দিয়েছি।
So to get a big house, you need a money.
সুন্দর করে ঘর তৈরি হয়ে গেল।
Usually.
ঘর হয়ে যাওয়ার পর দেবী পার্বতী
Devi Parvati said to Parvati,
এখন আমরা গৃহ প্রবেশ করি। হ্যাঁ,
then it will be said. Then Parvati said, now we'll do a Griha Pravesh, entrance ceremony in the house. Then we require a yagya, a fire sacrifice. Then we need one Brahman. So they arrange a Brahman. So the biggest, the Brahman was a Ravan. Ravan was a son of a Brahman only. How he got? Because an association of Asurs, Pulas. Vishwashrava. He was a son of a Vishwashrava. So Ravan was a son of Vishwashrava. तो धूमिल देते
আচ্ছা শুনুন, আচ্ছা তারপরে কি হলো?
What happened? Then
এখন
once
রাবণকে ডাকা হলো।
Ravan, he was being called. He knew all Sanskrit. He was a great Brahman.
বলা হয়েছে মন্ত্রটা ঠিক করে জপ না করলে বা মন্ত্র ঠিক উচ্চারণ না করলে,
If one does not do,
রয়েছে না বা যেখানে সন্ধি আদি রয়েছে সেগুলো যথাযথভাবে মন্ত্র উচ্চারণ না করলে
one has to
মন্ত্রের ফল তো পাওয়া যায় না,
properly.
কখনো কোনো মন্ত্রের উল্টা ফল হয়ে যায়।
So one has to follow the right and correct mantra, the correct shloks. If there is some changes, the result will be different. Vishnavena Vishnavaya Namah. Both means but in bhakti, Bhavagrahi Janardhan.
এখন শিবজি কে ডাকা হলো, এই শিবজি বলছেন রাবণকে ডাকলেন।
Then the Ravan has been called. Then he said,
এখন 1 মাস যাবত শিবজি
for 1 month he was continuing this yagya. For every day 4-5 hours he used to do fire sacrifice. He got agreed. So there was a time has come up when there was a fire sacrifice has to be finished. Then a Brahman requires a dakshina. Unless you pay a dakshina to Brahmin, you will not get a fruit of that yagya. It is mentioned in the Shastra, whether you give a 1 rupee, 2 rupee, unless you have given a dakshina, you will not get a fruit of your yagya or any the sacred ceremony which is done by Brahmin. So there is a Dakshina mantra as well. There is a mantra also which one has to recite. Whether you give and you accept, a giver or a receiver, both chant the mantra while receiving and while giving the Dakshina. So this is a process in sacred scriptures. So with the help of this mantra, this process gets complete. Shivji said, Raval did 1 month yajna. He said Swaha Swaha. Doing fire sacrifice is difficult. It's very difficult. Shivji said, Parvati, I do not have any money. I'm just a renounced person. Shiv doesn't even wear a cloth. He does not wear a cloth, a kurta. We have a pocket in our clothes, in our shirts and kurtas. They are the sadhu who does not even touch the money. And they are the sadhu who says, I don't touch even money. But my disciples are there, they will get the money. They will accept the money. So it's a kind of a satire on those sadhus who do not accept money, who do not touch the money, but they accept the money indirectly. So this Shivji said, you complete it. So where would I get the money? No, we need to give the money and dakshina in the form of dakshina to Ravan. So usually the Brahmin does a lot of he puts a lot of effort, but he gets paid very little usually. No, Su house. So usually Chatterjee Su house. So in that ways. So this Chatterjee, that person. So there was a person who never gets some money, and somebody asked, what is his name is Chatterjee. Sorry, I have lost in between the story. I'm starting from right now. Lakshmi ji, the bananas for the Lakshmi Puja, these small bananas are there, very small and very smaller in size. It's a real story, a true story. At the time of Lakshmi Puja, the small bananas are there. Panipal. Panipal means Singhada and 5 paisa. And 1 kola, Kothali kola. Very small bananas are there. At the time of Lakshmi Puja, Bazaar. Jamais has come up. Usually in the Bengali families it happens. So these are Brahmins, they have left this kind of work now. Alias Chatterjee, they have given up this job of Brahmin and they have started doing alternate jobs. This true story or not? The Brahmins have left all this the job of chanting hymns and working as a Brahmin to different houses. They have left this work nowadays. Once upon a time, at the time of marriage ceremony, which mantra one does there was one person. The Gurudev met. Gurudev asked that Gurudev once upon a time, one of a friend of Gurudev, or one of a known person of Gurudev, that how did you do he said that I do arrange these marriages and get the marriage done as a pandit. So Gurudev asked, how you got it done? Through mantra? You don't know any mantra? Then the person say, from Hanuman Chalisa, I got this marriage ceremony done. That is not appropriate way of arranging the marriage. Getting in the marriage ceremony done is a kind of a satire. Then Shivji said that I don't have money where to pay to Ravan, where to pay this Dakshina to Ravan. I don't have any money. Once upon, Devi Parvati said, between you and me, we don't have anything. Nobody has given me Dakshina. So without Dakshina, how we will do the Griha Pravesh? Shivji said, Ravan has done a 1 month fire sacrifice. Ravan said, I'm giving you as a Dakshina this house which has been created. And Devi Parvati said, oh my God, what you have done? You have given everything to Ravan in the form of Dakshina. Shivji is a renounced person. He's a renounced person. He is the topmost renounced person. Shiv does not accept anything. He only wants and one does a bhajan of Lord. Once you go to Jagannath Puri, in Jagannath Puri, who all has gone to Jagannath Puri? At the time there is a Singh Darbar. First you have a darshan of Shivir. You get a darshan of Shivji. Somebody who does not do pray to Jagannath Ji. Once upon a time, as Brahman, he was very old. Many a times, he used to do a seva. Once Shivji said, when he asked Shivji want, you just do mercy on us. Then Shivji said, Kashishwar Mahadev, Patipavan Jagannath. Once you cross the Patipavan Jagannath, there's a. He said, the Brahmaji said, I am in the Kashi. So you want to go to Kashi? What is there in Kashi? Kashi is the Galai Fasi, is a hanging to death, putting a rope for suicide is kind of. Once upon a time, once a Raja, if somebody who dies in a Kashi gets a liberation. Once upon a time, this Raja got to know this, and he was very cruel Raja. He was a very cruel king. So he said, you chopped the hands and the body parts and give it and put it in Kashi. One who dies in a Kashi, this kind of mukti you will not get it. So one day what happened? Devi Parvati, but Shivji taken a form of a horse, and Parvati became a normal human being, a normal man. And so this cruel king, he chopped his one hand and one foot. Then the king said, they want to sell. Then the Parvati ji, who has become a man, she said, I want to sell.
কন্ট্রোল করতে পারে।
So no one can control that horse. And he said to horse, this Parvati said to that Raja, the cruel king, somebody who rides on this horse will run so fast. Because this horse was who? Actually, the horse was the Shivji. If you are able to control this, if you are able to control this horse, then Devashi said, okay, I'm giving this horse to you. That what Raja, the king said. Once he tried controlling that horse, and that horse ran so fast and so speedily that the cruel king, he fall from that horse. So since he was a cruel, that king was not supposed to get a death in Kashi. If you do the whole of your life, if you do all bad things in your life and you want to get a death in a Vrindavan, it will not be possible. If you want to leave this Vrindavan, we want to leave this body in Vrindavan, it never happens. The Janma is not in control. A birth is not in our control. Birth is not controlled. Death is not in our control. So this, it never happens. It is there always in the hands of Lord. Usually it's been seen. Once upon a time, there's one female. She got married. She was a nurse in a hospital. She got retired and she said to Gurudev Param Guru Maharaj Ji that I want to go to Rup Sanatan. She went to Rup Sanatan. She went over there. At the time of death, and she has to cross Vrindavan, and she went to 20 years. She stayed in Rup Sanatan for 20 years, and when she had a death, she had a death in Delhi. If you pray that you want to do a death, you want to take a death in Vrindavan, it never happens. There's one Bhakta. During Parikrama, Vrindavan Parikrama was going on, Braj Mandal Parikrama, and Ekadashi, and Rup Sanatan, he died away. During it, so lucky he was. It is mentioned in Shastra, life and death and your marriage.
আরে প্রেম সরোবর নয়, ওটা প্রেম সরোবর ছিল কি? এই তো আমার কথা, প্রেম সরোবর নয়, ওটা ছিল প্রেম সরোবর में एक बार तो रीड छोड़ा था ना।
हाँ, एक ब्रह्म,
अरे मान सरोवर।
मान सरोवर. So there was a similar coincidence also happened during Brahman Mandal Parikrama. The best instance Gurudev is talking about a Parikrama time during the Ekadashi, a different time. There was that time the Katha was going on in Mansarovar. During Braj Mandal Parikrama, he was listening the Hari Katha, and within a fraction of a second he died away. He had some uneasiness in his body, a normal uneasiness, and he died away then and there itself. हम लोग थे वहाँ पे. Three things are there. The three things are there, not in the control of a human being. That birth, the death, and the marriage. The Mansarovar in Kartik Mas, the Katha was going on, and what further life of that person would be. He was a Vaishnav and he died away at the time of Braj Mandal Parikrama, and that too among all Vaishnavas. Shivji, he is the topmost Vaishnav. Sanatana Goswami Paz has a lot of friendship he was a very pally with Lord Shiv. He has a very friendship kind of relationship with Shivji. Srila Maharaji, Srila Narayan Maharaji. In Gaudiya Math, Srila Narayan Maharaji, he said a special rest on doing a fast on Shivratri. In Keshavji, Gaudiya Math, many of them they don't observe this fast, but when Srila Narayan Maharaji always said one should observe Ekadashi. Anukalp. So there's some devotees in Keshavji who used to take both the meals, both the prasadam, the Anukalp, the prasadam prepared for who were observing fast, and the one who are not observing fast during the time of Shivratri. So it has been Sanatana Goswami Path as a friendly relation with Shivji. Sanatana Goswami Path, where he stays in Madan Mohan Ghera, and every day he used to have darshan of Gopeshwar Mahadev. Though he was very old when Shivji. So that's why he came and manifested in Bankhandi Mahadev. So there. So then she said, you have my darshan over there, you don't have to come to Govardhan. There is Chakleshwar Mahadev and Govardhan. Sanatana Goswami Maharaj said, Sanatana Goswami said, I become old, I will not be able to darshan Sanatan. Shivji said, don't worry, Sanatan. That's it. Within a fraction of a second, that place only he manifested himself as a Bankhandi Mahadev. In Giraji, Govardhan Mahadev, that Chakleshwar Mahadev, that place. There is no mosquitoes there. At that time, Sanat Goswami said Bhajan Kutir, and thereby. So has everybody taken darshan or not over there? So Sanatana Goswami is a friend relation with Shivji. Chhaivadi, there's the fireworks in the sky. What festival? Today is the Kali Puja. Chaturdashi, because today is the Chaturdashi. The smart and materialistic people who does a Kali Puja, they are doing, there's a lot of fireworks in the sky today. Sanatana Goswami Pad. Sanatana Goswami Pad is mentioned in the Bhagavatam. It is explained beautifully. It said Gopeshwar Mahadev. Yesterday we have heard the Harikatha. Shivji wanted to enter in Ras, and Paramasiji said, sang Shivji in a Brahmakund. And now Shivji had a beautiful form of a gopi, and he said, now you go to Ras. Then he went inside the Rasasthali, Ras place. The Shivji went over there. The Krishna flute started playing. All the gopis went inside the Ras, and Ras was about to start. He said, today I'm not feeling good about Ras. I'm not enjoying. There's something wrong. Then everybody is looking here and there. That who is odd man out over here. They were looking at it. And suddenly everybody, they saw there is another gopi was sitting. These all gopis started asking from that gopi, what's your name? Gopi Paramasi gave that the body of gopis, but she did not give a name. Maybe all gopis asked, what is the name of your husband? Where you got married? Then everybody got to know that this person is odd man out. So everybody started banging to started banging on his face and body to Shivji. It is a very nice pastime. It is. So all gopis started punching to Lord Shiv, who has come and taken a body of gopis. And Krishna came and he said, "Hey Mahadev, you have come over here. You have taken a body of a gopi body, but there is a process. Just because getting a gopi body, you cannot enter in Ras. For getting into a Ras, you have to take a birth in Gopi's house. You have to get married to a gop. Then you have to take association of you have to take an association of all gopis, or the gopis, and you have to prepare a blocks from a cow dung. They need to have a parakya bhava. Then you have. So these are the conditions if you want to become a gopi and enter in the Ras. So he asked, you stay outside of Ras. If you want to enter in Ras, first you have to. So one has to take a permission. And you have to take a permission. Everybody who wants to get entered in the Ras, one has to take permission from Shivji. One who does not worship Shivji will not get anything. It is mentioned for getting Gopi Bhav, one has to worship Shivji. He is known as Gopeshwar Mahadev. Vanipate Sum Sum Samale Sanak Sanam Sanadan Nardendya. Yugragri Padme. Yadmi. Brajvilan. There is a mantra. It is mentioned in Giti Gaudiya Guchha. So one who wants to enter in a Ras. So one has to Shivji, Gopeshwar Mahadev. One has to take a permission from Gopeshwar Mahadev, and then one can enter in Ras. So he is a doorkeeper of Rasasthali of Lord Krishna Gopis. So one has to worship Lord Shiva as well, but not as an independent god. That then there will be no offense. If you consider Shivji as an independent Lord, Shiv, one who worships Shiv as a Vaishnav, as a Guru, and as a devotee of Krishna, then it would be a right way of the Prasad. Shivji is the topmost Vaishnav, as the Vaishnav Thakur. Pura Dayala Sagara Karuna Kari Ardiya Podo Chaya Sudale Yamane Tumaro Charona Gori. Bhakti Vinod Thakur says Shivji is the topmost Vaishnav. One is a mercy. Once we have a mercy of Shivji, then our life would be successful. If you consider us, once you consider as a Vaishnav and Guru in the form, one should respect and do worship of Shivji as a Vaishnav, as a Guru. Once you go to Mayapur, that is the Shivji is there. Shivji known as a Dham security person is the Shivji. Is every time he is always busy in servicing of Lord. If you go to Navdeep, there is in Navdeep also there is a Shivji. There is Shivtala. Once you go to Vrindavan, Gopeshwar Mahadev, Nandagaon too, Nandeshwar Mahadev. Wherever you go to Kameshwar. There is Kameshwar, Kamevan, and Kameshwar Mahadev. If you go to Mathura, 4 places, 4 Rangeshwar, Gokarneshwar, Pipaleshwar, Bhuteshwar. Shiver, Shivji's Dham is a Dham security person. When you go to Jagannath Ji, this is Shivji as Kashish, Loknath. In Dhame, in the Dham, Shivji is there. Shivji does not have a money. Why he keeps a Trishul? Shivji has a Trishul as an Ayuddha. Why he keeps a Trishul? He puts a Trishul. And Shivji always carries a Trishul. Wherever he does a dhyan, he puts a Trishul. Hanumanji. Hanumanji always keeps a gada in his hand. He does not have anything. His only door coping is there. He wears a door coping. He does not have anything on his body. Hanumanji and Shivji even also does not have money. Who is Abhakt, who is non-devotee, who is an asur, to punish that person, they always carry this. Shivji has a lot of glories. He drank poison. For what? Why he hoarded the poison in his neck? That's why his name is Nilkant. Why? Because in my heart the God resides. So that's this should not be uncomfortable time for my Lord. So that's why he hold it around his neck. Once he drank this is poison, which came out from the Samudra Manthan. The Devdas and Asurs, they did a Samudra Manthan. Then Vish came out, did the churning of this Samudra, this sea, this poison came out. What Devdas said and Asurs said, everybody, both of them, Asurs and Devtas, they were looking. Once the nectar came, Amrit came, and Vishnuji Bhagwan took a form of Mohini, and she gave alcohol to Asurs and Amrit to Devta. When Lakshmi ji came out from the Samudra, then everywhere there was discussion going on. Shivji once upon a time wanted to have a Mohini Roop darshan of Vishnu. So Lord Bhagwan said, you will not be able to control yourself if you see my Mohini Roop. Then Shivji said, I am a renounced person. How this lust and this worldly desire will come in my heart. But please have a darshan. Please give me a darshan of Mohini Roop. I want to have a darshan of Mohini. Then Vishnu took a form of a beautiful Mohini Roop, Mohini form. Beautiful lady. Everybody was looking. She was all beautiful at that time. Shivji said that so who has conquered the lust? Brahma, Shiv. They have
কে কামকে জয় করতে পারে? একমাত্র স্বয়ং ভগবান।
So they have conquered the last, and during the time of last Leela is a Kam Vijay Leela. One can win over lust, anger. Once who listens the all kind of worldly desire will finish once who listens the Ras Leela is the topmost Leela of Lord Brahma, Shiv. They have conquered lust, and how? The Lord, with the help of Krishna, by the mercy of Lord. Those these Brahmaji and Shivji, they are doing a Leela, the pastimes over here. Once they do these kind of Leelas, one should not. So one should not do a kind of a pride, believe that I've conquered on a lust towards all worldly desires, worldly things. So, with the help of devotion, by chanting the Lord's name, Krishna, one will conquer the lust, greed and anger. Ram Ram, Hare Hare. There's one person, Gaur Govind Maharaj used to say one story. Which is story? In one house, there was a small, one cat was there. She was very old. She used to jump and run here and there, and she was very old. So Hindus never used to eat. Hindus, they never eat the meat, and that too the cats or someone. One day, what do you think? So that person, he put it a tilak, and he was, reading a Bhagavad. This is wearing a tilak and kantimala. Bidal means? Bidal means kya? This is being done by Chu. This is a small mouse. Sorry, there's a small correction. Then what this mouse says, then I'm telling you the real story, the whole of my life. So eating this might, I want to do the cat. The Vidal is a cat. So she put it to tilak, and she was reading a Bhagavad over there. And she said to that mouse, my whole life has gone wasted. And this cat was singing the Lord's name. So the cat was, all was in a bhav, and in front of that mouse. In my life, so from her heart, the cat said, in my lifetime, my last time, I want to do bhajan in my life. Now I'll become pure vegetarian. The cat said, I don't eat any non-veg. Now I become very old. I want to go to Vrindavan, but I am not able to go to Vrindavan. But I want to go to Vrindavan. Wherever there is sadhu, that place is a Vrindavan. The place where the sadhu gone, where there is a Harikatha, that place is Harikatha, that place is Vrindavan. Then old cat said, I have so much troubled you. that I have ate your mother and father, now I would not eat any non-veg now. Now you see my tilak on my forehead. Now I'm doing a Bhagavad Path. So the cat was saying, then cat said, and cat was thinking, then ninth canto was finished. Once the cat was doing a, now there would be some movement. The cat was thinking that some movement would be there. Then slowly the cat was doing 10th canto of Bhagavatam. It is very sacred, very secret katha is there in 10th canto. Cat said to mouse. Then, now you have listened all 9 cantos till now. You come near to me. The cat called to that mouse, you come near to me, because I do katha without mic and you will not be able to listen properly to me. Then cat said, you are sitting far from my mana. Then the cat said, why you sitting very far from me? You come near to me so that you will be able to listen properly. And this was conversation between cat and a mouse. And cat started. Cat completes 28 chapters, 29th chapter. 33 chapters are Ras Panchadhai. 29, 23, 34, 33. 5 chapters are Ras Panchadhai. This I have started saying Ras Katha. Now listen. Who's qualified and who's non-qualified, the cat said. Non-qualified person would not be able to hear her, otherwise both of them will go to Nark. The cat said. The cat said, you sit. The cat said, a mouse. All the small mouses just go away, because there's some other mouses were also there who came out and they were listening this Bhagavad Katha and Ras Leela. The cat was seeing all these mouses very closely. Which mouse is big and heavy, and the small mouses have been asked to leave the place. And then cat closed the door. So that then all the mouses was thinking this cat is a Shuddha Vaishnava. Then cat said, come near to me. Cat said to mouse. Then towards the cat, all the mouses had a Shraddha over at that time. Then cat, why to leave this opportunity? Cat was just opening the book and Srimad Bhagavatam Dasham Skanda. She started saying 29th chapter. Bhagavan Badrani Uvacha Shukuvacha Bhagavan Api Tarati Sharur. Then she started saying Bhagavan Api Tarati. The door has been closed. The cat jumped on a mouse and ate all those mouses over there. So what is
এই যে বলছেন
It's been
এই
said,
বুড়ি ইঁদুর এই বুড়ি বুড়ি বিড়াল বলো না
don't become an old cat.
বুড়ি বুঝতে পারছেন যেটা বুড়ো হয়ে গেছে বিড়াল বলো না
Don't become an old cat.
দেহের মধ্যে
Always in your heart.
গোবিন্দকে স্থাপন
Establish and think of Lord.
উপর থেকে খুব সুন্দর কিন্তু দেহের
Don't cheat
মধ্যে
and don't cheat anybody in your life. Don't never ever have a dual standard in your life. আর कभी नहीं चाहिए चांदे करुणा है बे संसार वासना मोर कभी तुच्छ हाबे ऐसे चढ़े कभी विषम Sri Vrindavan, the topmost Ras Katha. One should not listen here and there is Ras Katha. Our Param Guru Maharaj Dev used to say. So if you want to listen, so one is to do devotion is his life in this regard. So it's been said one should do bhajan. The devotees who has a realization, those sadhus and those great Vaishnavas, we should listen. There are a lot of sadhus are there who do not follow anything. They talk about Ekadashi Mahatma, but at their house, to the wife, you didn't prepare puris and this Annaprasad. Though these kind of sadhus, they do Ekadashi, they talk about Ekadashi Mahatma, they talk about Amrish Maharaj Ji and the Vasha Rishis. But this kind of sadhu says to wives and they scold to their wife. This story is meant for rest of the people, not on me. So such sadhus, we have to keep a distance. The sadhus who do not follow and do not have that qualification, and the unqualified sadhus, one should not listen from unqualified sadhus. In Padmapuram, this story, we should listen Harikatha from a qualified person. Is similar like one who drink consuming milk gets you energy and you nurture your body. But if that milk had been touched by a snake, then if you drink that milk, your death is definite. Though the Katha and Leela's story of Lord are all powerful, but if you listen from non-Vaishnav, then this Katha would not do, then there will be an opposite result of these stories. The kind of lust and greed will come in our heart. It's kind of a poison. If you listen Hari Katha from non-Vaishnav and non-devotees, that's why this is mentioned in Padma Puran. Yathape. We should only hear and listen Hari Katha from Vaishnav. But says Bhagavad what he says. This Bhagavad Katha has been said by, is in Amar Katha, has been said by Shivji to Parvati ji. Amarnath. So in Amarnath has all gone to Amarnath. Amarnath is a place where there is a place of Lord Shiva and Parvati ji is very far and it's just not easy to travel over there. The yatra is little difficult. Shivji is the topmost Vaishnava, the Shuddha Vaishnava. Vaishnava and realize Vaishnava, we should hear a Hari Katha and topmost Ras Leela Katha, this kind of Kathas. The whole day people used to do the Jagran, waking the whole night and they do Jagrans hand. So one should do Harinam. Harinam is everything. Shivji has a lot of glories. Shankaracharya, what he said, Shankar Sakshat, Shivji. Shankar is the incarnation of Lord Shiv. Shankaracharya is the incarnation of Lord Shiv. He preached Mayavad. But when he went to Navdeep, he chanted Shankaracharya saying, "Hey Shiv, in Navdhap is a Prakrit Dham. Over here, you will not be able to do a preaching of Mayavad." Bhakti Vinod Thakur ji is mentioning in the Navdeep, but he did not come over, entered in. He did not come and he never did preaching of Mayavad over here. So Shankaracharya went away from this place. In Navdeep Dham. Navdeep is very near and dear to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this place. One will have two who does the devotion of Mahaprabhu in the association of Mahaprabhu. At the last time, what fruit one will get while doing a devotion of Mahaprabhu? In one form, in the pure form, after one way you will go to Vrindavan, and one form you will go to Mahaprabhu's Dham, Shredev Dham. One who does a devotion of Radha Govind will only go to Vrindavan with Radha Govind Devi in this, under the shelter of. So a soul would get a benefit if a soul does a devotion of Mahaprabhu also. So he'll be having two places. A soul in one form will go to Vrindavan, in one form it will go to Shredev Dham. One who does a seva over here in Navdeep will also get automatically a qualification to enter in Vrindavan. Come everybody to Navdeep Dham. So Gurudev is inviting everybody to come to Navdeep Dham for the Navdeep Parikrama. If you go over there in Navdeep and sleep only, if you don't do anything, you eat 3-4 times. Devanand got him at tickets time. With tickets. The ticket system is there for the prasadam and everything. Someplace. If God is willing to give, if God doesn't not willing to give, that is okay. Over here, it is all depends on the mercy of the Lord. And in the whole Navdeep, come in Navdeep and do parikrama. And what seva do a pada sevan. Why the God has given a foot to do a parikrama in Navdeep? If in case if you don't do parikrama, then you will become a tree in your next birth. So one should do parikrama in Navdeep and do service. What service? Pada sevan. They are doing a parikrama. If you don't do service in Navdeep Dham, you would not get service in Vrindavan. one should do devotion of God Sundar. If you are able to do of God Sundar, is very simple. Gaur, Govind, Go, and Ra is Radha Ji's Ra. Gaur is a combined form of Radha and Krishna. We should all do service Hari. Navdeep Kumar Premanande Hari Hari Bol. My apologies to all because I'm just trying to understand Bangla, and this is my, I guess, the first attempt to translate in Bangla. So I'll try to improvise further on translating of this language. Thank you all. Hari Bol Dandra Pranam. Who all is doing fasting today? The many of people over here, many devotees who are not fasting today. So there's always a confusion whether one should fast over today or not. But everybody should fast. So their paran timings are there for tomorrow. So after Suryodaya, after the sunrise, one can do a paran time. Tomorrow one should, by seeing in that booklet, one should do paran tomorrow. Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai, jai jai Shri Radhe.